Welcome to MyGuide. How to create a group and add members in Outlook. Go to Outlook. Click on Create. To create a new group, enter group name. As soon as you enter your group name, an email address will automatically get created with the same name. You can see this under Group Email Address. Enter description for your group. Select Privacy. To set privacy settings for your group, select the checkbox accordingly. Click on More Settings. Select a language from the drop-down. Click on Create. Add members here. Enter a name or email address. Click Add. Your group is ready. Thank you from MyGuide.